Hi everyone, I am Angel Saging.
I am Lovely Binuloa.
We're NSTP students from B.Ed 1C.
And today, we will talk about basic first aid, focusing on CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation.
CPR means cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It's a life-saving technique used when a person's heart stops beating or they're not breathing properly.
It helps keep oxygen flowing to the brain and other vital organs until professional help arrives. CPR is usually done during emergencies like cardiac arrest, drowning, or choking.
DRSABC is a quick way to remember the steps in first aid and CPR.
D stands for danger. Check if the area is safe for you and the victim.
R is response. See if the person responds when you talk or tap their shoulders.
S is send for help, call emergency service, or ask someone nearby to do it.
A means airway. Make sure the airway is clear.
B stands for breathing. Check if the person is breathing normally.
And C means CPR, start chest compressions and rescue breath if needed.
Each step is important because it ensures the victim gets help quickly and safely.
Doing CPR keeps the blood and oxygen moving, which can prevent brain damage.
It gives a person better chance to survive until medical professionals take over.
We must always make sure the scene is safe so we don't become another victim.
Safety first, then we can properly help others.
As NSTP students, learning CPR helps us become responsible and ready citizens.
We can respond during emergencies and even save lives in our community. Knowing CPR means being prepared to help anytime, anywhere.
Thank you for watching our short talk about CPR.
Remember, learning basic first aid can make a big difference. Stay safe and ready, everyone.